Thank you.
He's so tiny. My goodness.
Wow, this arena is way nicer than the other one. Yeah, it is. Wow, this is huge.
Yeah, it's naturally lit.
Yeah. And we have chairs.
Did you see how clean the stall was?
Holy cow, Marya, I'm not used to seeing you stand by a horse you can actually
I
be
know.
taller than. I can see you on the other side.
I know, it's like totally different. Vegas is like, enormous. This is more like a little dog.
Oh.
He's happy. Whoa, way to make yourself at home. That's funny.
What?
Are you carrying this?
Yeah.
The purpose of this is what?
Should we take the blanket off, you think?
Oh, we could.
Yeah, take it off. I want to see what he looks
Well,
like.
let's make sure we know which holes he's on. You're gonna do it again.
It's like
Alright,
Maggie.
don't let him lead you.
I'm not, he's just rolling. I'm just letting him roll right now.
Well, yeah, but if you put pressure on the rein, you just let him walk you around. What do you think he's going to do?
Okay, leave his buddy. I'm gonna take these off.
I don't blame him after sitting in the trailer for that long.
He just wants to cut loose a bit. Let's just get this off of him if we can.
There's the rein, or the...
Yeah. You hold him.
Hey, pretty boy.
Oh, he is soft.
Handsome, actually.
Isn't he? He's got this tiny leg.
There he does. This thing's like a miniature horse.
Easy boy. Let him have some of his heavy.
Where's Cammy? Oh,
Huh?
never mind.
Okay, buddy.
There's the first one.
I can reach all the way over his back.
Yeah, it shouldn't be hard to get the saddle on him, especially since it's so
Yeah,
small.
this
Wouldn't
one,
be that heavy.
Have to go over his neck.
No, it does not.
Just sit on the ground.
Hey, make me sit up.
Just stand on the ground.
Here, no, don't sit over here.
He's just rolling the dirt. You don't want it in the dirt?
Buddy. Relax. Oh, I think you're right. I think this does need to go over his head.
Wow, he's pretty.
Okay.
Goodness, he's gorgeous.
No.
Uh-oh, he's gonna do it again. Here we go. Ah, this is life.
That's so good.
Yeah, well, that's nice. See that?
Look at how he just flattens the dirt. He's so heavy.
Here, you know what? I'm gonna take the lead rope off and just let him use himself a bit.
That's nice to have a heated viewing area.
Why won't this thing
I
work?
know. She showed us that when we toured it.
What? This won't even. Let's do it. Get dirt in there. That's one.
Well, Why you let him come on in here?
I'm gonna let him be himself a bit.
Man, I love him. He's so gorgeous.
You are so beautiful, Amy. He's taking all loose now. Watch him walk around like he owns the world.
He's so tiny compared to Avalanche. I mean, Vegas.
You can definitely see the raging.
I'm glad you're happy with him. I think he looks prettier in the video.
Oh, wow.
He's so curious.
Who's that?
It's like, it's so changed like to have a horse that's just like, he is so full of himself. Oh, I've seen it on a horse.
He's got a way prettier, like that.
Uh-huh.
Trot.
He's like, I've seen it on a horse. Who are you? Hey, who are you seeing there, Amy? Who are you seeing? Huh? Watch him. Are you seeing yourself? Are you seeing yourself?
What's that?
I don't know. What was that, buddy?
Maybe he doesn't like his reflection.
I think he thinks there's another horse coming. He's like, my, that's a handsome dude in that picture.
Oh, look, good call.
This is gonna be such a distraction when you're riding him.
He's gonna eventually get used to it.